Microsoft Surface device.
What are you doing, Eddie? Come here, buddy.
The Recording
Eddie,
Academy is always
come here.
looking for new ways to create a social buzz.
Microsoft Surface is going to enable
Come
the
on.
ability to see these artists before they take
Come here, big man. Oh.
And share their Twitter mirror moments, and the snapshots will be shared with the world.
Yeah. What you doing?
Is the official tablet partner of the Grammys.
As you can see, his mobility is not impaired in any way
I got to put this
by the sweater.
to the test. It'll provide a whole new dimension to each
Hey, big man.
Clive Davis pre-Grammy Gala.
Hi.
Always A-list.
Have you not taken off his little
Winner
coat
Jennifer
yet?
Hudson will perform Saturday
Oh,
night, and
it
so
slid
will
sideways a little bit, but there he is. And he's gone. Hi, Pearl. Hi, Fin. Hi. Finn is always ready to be part of something. Something happening? I want to be part of it. All right.